Okay, I just wanted to give a quick update on TRON, TRX. I was doing this analysis for a client just earlier today, and I'm noticing that this could be a price explosion that is pretty imminent. One reason is because look at the MACD. It's curling up. Explosion is imminent on this, but if you take a higher zoom on this, you can see it in a little more detail as to the MACD, the moving average converging divergence, is slowly crawling up to positive soon. And price has already broken out of this downward pointing symmetrical triangle that I posted on yesterday. So I wanted to give this update on what I think could be an imminent explosion that could happen just about at any time. Now, again, a cup and handle with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves already being put in for an impulse resulted in an A, B, C, D, E downward pointing symmetrical triangle, which was very wedge-like between contracting lines. It's very bullish. The rationale behind this is that there are a lot of sellers in the beginning of the triangle, and the sellers are depleting until there are no more sellers left. And the MACD is indicating exactly that right here. This is absolutely very, very bullish on this, on an imminent breakout projection. As a result, I have revised the target to $2.42. That is a wave 5 target. The wave 3 target will be $1.89. I provide the wave 3 target because quite often I would take a third to a half profit at this point, maybe buy back in at wave 4 for following an ABC or a triangle correction, and wait for the wave 5 ride back up to 242. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.